Hello, Form 4 Biology, Chapter 8, Video number 7. Okay, and page number 1, I check for you now. 现在帮你 check page number 6. Okay, human respiratory structure and its adaptations. Okay, so for the first part, I want to talk about how the human exchange a gas, or what the structure that can help you to exchange a gas, remove the carbon dioxide, obtain the oxygen. The name is called alveoli or alveolus, 小气袋、小气囊，对不对 ？Okay, but how the alveoli or alveolus in our lung help us to exchange the gases, or what are the characteristics of the alveolus alveoli help us to exchange the gas? Okay, so this is a title that we maybe learned in Form 3 before, but maybe you still don't know, so we maybe have to repeat 啦，我们可能必须重复了。Okay, so give me some time， 给我一些时间，什么都不用做，你听故事就可以了。And after this, fill in the blank. And the answer actually is the best answer because after this, our essay going to ask you to compare between human and animal, human and animal, human and animal. 那时候这几句话就是永远的答案了。Okay, like. So how we exchange the gas, or any characteristic of the alveoli help us to exchange the gas. When we inhale the air pass through our nasal cavity, 鼻腔 trachea, bronchus, okay, bronchial, trachea 气管 bronchus 支气管 bronchial 小气管 and after the bronchial, all the inhaled air they were entering the alveolus 它就跑进了我们的小气袋小气囊 okay 要不然就肺泡 next so in order to obtain the oxygen from the inhaled air okay, and also remove the carbon dioxide, alveolus must having some special characteristics. So what are the special characteristics of our alveolus or alveoli? Number one, 看就可以了，不用抄，等一下有 notes 可以抄的。Okay, alveolus actually is billions in our lung. So our lung is not a balloon only. 我们的肺不是一粒气球罢了。But in our lung, they are made up of billions of small balloons called alveoli. Okay, so all the alveoli actually is to increase the total surface area for the gas diffusion. 就是为了增加我们的表面，给我们渗透气体更快。Okay, so this is the first characteristic of the alveoli. It contains a large total surface area. It is made up of billions of alveoli that increase the total surface area. 它有很多表面特别的大 okay or the inner surface of the alveolus actually is covered by a layer of water okay surrounded by a layer of water so what is the function of or what is another characteristic of the alveolus it having a moist inner surface 它有一个湿的里面的表面 so having a moist inner surface so what is the function of this moist inner surface 这个湿的表面到底拿来做什么呢To dissolve the gases, 方便空气溶解在里面 So to dissolve the oxygen, to dissolve the carbon dioxide, so the gas can diffuse through the wall. So the moist inner surface, 另外一个特征呢，湿的表面 to dissolve the gases, 给气体呢溶解在里面 And after the gases dissolve in the water, they have to pass through the wall, 渗透过墙壁，对不对 So the wall must be very thin wall, 很薄的墙壁 Just as thin as a layer of cell, 只有一层的细胞这样薄罢了 Okay, so this is another characteristic. Very thin wall, a layer of cell only, made up of a layer of cell only, 只有一层的细胞这样厚罢了 Okay, so after the gases diffuse through the wall, outside our alveoli, they are surrounded by a network of blood capillaries. 全部都是微血管密密麻麻的包围着 Okay, so when the gases diffuse into the blood capillary, so another characteristic, surrounded by capillaries, 一大堆的微血管呢包围着 Okay, so the hemoglobin inside the blood capillary going to join together with our oxygen and carry the oxygen to our whole body 了，然后把我们冲凉的血呢送去你的整个身体 Understand? So these are the characteristics of the alveoli. So where's the answer? A, B, C, D. Okay, so where to copy the answer? Page number 6 第6面就在这边罢了 Okay, now Human respiratory structure is the alveolus, 多就叫 alveoli, which has a characteristic for the efficient gas respiratory gases exchange. 它有什么特征呢？第一 ，a large number of alveoli provide a large total surface area. 多的 alveoli 提供一个大总共的表面呢 ，for the diffusion of the respiratory gases 给气体慢慢的渗透。Okay, and the alveolus wall is always moist， 它的墙壁永远都是湿湿的。Oxygen and carbon dioxide can dissolve easily， 氧气跟二氧化碳很容易的渗透。Okay, and diffuse through the wall into the blood capillary， 湿湿的表面给它溶解进去，方便它渗透。这4句话等一下会变成非常好用。Okay, and the alveolus is surrounded by a large network of blood capillary。alveolus 被水包围着呢一大堆的 blood capillary。Okay, so to hasten the diffusion of the respiratory gases, and the thin alveolus wall that is one cell thick。alveolus 的墙壁呢非常的薄。Okay, 多么薄 ？A layer of cell 只有一层的细胞这样薄罢了 ，as thick as one cell。Make the diffusion of gases much easier 啦，给空气渗透的更快。So these 4 characteristics. After this, we're going to compare to other animals. 我们的差别跟它们的差别就是这样子。Okay. So the next video, we're going to talk about the breathing mechanism. 我们到底怎样呼吸的呢？Okay, not a difficult title because we have actually having the same title when we was in Form 3, but maybe you still don't know 啦，可能你不知道罢了。Okay, set the okay alveoli 还有它的特征就在这边解决了，拜拜，谢谢。